Hey Amanda, I'm really stressed out. I need a getaway.
Oh dear, where would you like to go?
I'm thinking about going to the Bahamas. I know you have traveled a lot, so I need some advice.
Yeah, sure. I would like to suggest some travel companies through which I travel regularly and get the best deals in airfares and hotel bookings.
Oh, that's cool. Please share details. I'm waiting.
Did you just see how branding works in the travel and hospitality industry? Loyal customers play a key role to promote travel services. A report by Deloitte explains that 2/3 of the high-frequency travelers stay at the same hotel brand for more than half of their travel days, regardless of the location. Once the customer reaches the tipping point and becomes actively loyal, there is no looking back. So, for establishing a successful customer loyalty program, what kind of data is required from the POS system? A travel agency business has countless data like past travel bookings or upcoming trips, seasonal sales trend, customer segmentation, customer location preferences, future purchases, customers' destination, customers' favorites, etc. By analyzing the above valuable POS data, travel companies are being able to identify which loyalty customer will be worth more revenue in the future, which customers are in the process of considering a new flight purchase, what new credit cards or banking products a customer may or may never choose. Highly personalized offers to deliver the right message to the right members and at the right time. Reduced marketing wastage and improved channel of communication. These are just a few examples of how POS data and business intelligence is being applied to the loyalty programs to drive revenue and growth. Customer loyalty programs give first-time customers a reason to pick you and giving existing customers a reason to return. So what do you think? Does your POS system and the data analytics work smartly? And does your POS data are easily retrievable? If no, then check out for more details in the link given below, because it is time to upgrade your POS system and your business too.